90% of traders lose money in Forex. Why? Because they risk too much. One, they trade with emotions, that's greed and fear. And the worst of all, they try to do it alone. Let's be honest, trading isn't gambling, it is a skill. And any skill or every skill can be learned if you feel the right person. But trying to do it alone, to learn something alone that you does not have any basic knowledge of, you understand? It is not anything that is related to your environment that you have been exposed to it before, and you want to do it alone. Trust me, it is always, and you want to do it alone, it will always be difficult for you. That is why you must have a mentor, a guider. When I started Forex 3 years ago, I thought I could learn everything on my own because I was very good with internet stuff, you understand? So during my first 2 months of learning, I learned everything literally alone. And I started making profit in my 3rd month of trading. That was in the month of March 2022. I made a lot of profit from flipping accounts here and there, you understand? And guess what? This is why we call it a beginner's class. It was just a beginner's class because I didn't know any risk management. I didn't know anything about psychology. I was literally just gambling, opening trades here and there without a stop loss and anything. You understand? When I'm lucky and market goes in my favor, I'll flip the account multiple times. So then I thought I was a guru. I was now a mentor. That was when I started my Forex Academy, and it was just free of charge every day. It was just free of charge every day, teaching people how to trade. Meanwhile, me myself, I didn't know anything about Forex then. Because I just made some small profit, I thought I was good enough to be a mentor. That was when everything got worse. I had to close this class down because how could a mentor himself doesn't know how to place a stop loss, how to close a partial profit, yes, risking how to risk. Not literally, I didn't know anything. So I had to close the class down and focus on myself, learn the skill the right way. So that was when I followed the right people. I paid for mentorship. They taught me everything because at first I was making money without knowing what I was doing, you understand? It was just out of luck. And in the Forex market, you can never be lucky every day. You can't be lucky every day. Luck, anything that you get out of luck without the wisdom to maintain it, it will go again. You understand? So anything that comes to you out of luck, bear in mind that you will lose it again. So if you are watching me right now and you are struggling with Forex market or you still want to join the Forex industry, trust me, get a right mentor. You understand? And that is why Show Me The Way FS is here. Show Me The Way FS Academy is here to teach you guys the basics, the intermediate level, and the advanced course. You understand? Anything that you need to master Forex trading, that will make you profitable. Bear in mind that there is difference between knowing Forex market, understanding Forex market, and mastering Forex market. Other mentors will let you know about Forex market, and others will let you understand Forex market. But to make you master Forex market, it's not everybody that can do it. You need a mentor who have time for you, who can dedicate his everything for you, teach you the basics. Because once the foundation is weak, trust me, nothing good will come out of the building. The building will collapse. So I'm just telling you that if I'm able to do it, you can also do it. And how can you do it? By applying my proven strategies, risk management tips, and psychological tips that I have implemented in my Forex trading that has made me a profitable trader. So if you also want to be one, just DM me Tech. I want to learn how to trade. I'll take you guys through. And fortunate enough, Show Me The Way FS Academy, we are coming up with our September batch trends. And right now, the fee is only $40. That's 400 Ghana cedis. You understand? It's only $40. But because we just want to share the knowledge with our people, we just want to impact a lot of people, we make it $20 for the first 10 people. For the first 10 people that will reach out to us are going to pay only $20. That is 200 Ghana cedis for that. And it's a lifetime mentorship. You don't need to renew a month, whatever. We don't need your money. It is not your money that will be our monthly income. So there's no need for you to be renewed every month. Once you pay that 200 Ghana cedis or $20, it's a lifetime mentorship. But if you fail to do that on time, sorry to say, you might have to pay $40, or that is 400 Ghana cedis for the mentorship course. And trust me, one thing about skills, they say, no matter the amount of money you pay for the skill, if the skill is worth of that, you will never regret. And that is why we are here to teach you everything about Forex market. Once you master the skill, trust me, you are going to be printing money your smartphone is going to be turned into a distant ATM machine for you. You'll be printing money day in, day out. You understand? So because we are doing it and we know how to teach you guys to also do it. So make sure you text me Kintech. I want to learn how to trade so that I'll add you to the mentorship page. Until see you again, I'm out.